Hey, this is Daryl here with Twin Falls Volkswagen. Here's a 2017 Dodge Challenger GT, about 87,000 miles. Nice vehicle, clean on exterior. I've got it running so you can see the daytime running lights on it. Hood looks good. Windshield's not cracked or chipped. Just looking for flaws that I see in the vehicle. Oh, that's wax. Okay, that's just a little wax right there. Oh, it's got a little scratch right there. Alloy wheels. Tires are excellent. I like this metal flake in this paint. Really glistens, and there's certain light hits it just right. I do see that we have, looks like a crease running. Maybe you can see it better. It runs from here to here. A little bit of marking right there. Lights, oh, that was a spider web. I thought it was a scratch. So there's a little scratch about here. It's not real deep. It didn't buff out, but I can't make my fingernail catch in it. So, like I said, tires are good. Just doing the outside walk around. Rear parking sensors. That wasn't a scratch, okay. Okay, that's just splash up. Well, so far, this is a good looking car, except for those couple of cosmetic issues. That's all I see on the outside. Let's look at the inside. Standing here at the driver's door. Of course, I see we got power windows and locks, power mirrors, Alpine stereo system, leather seats with power driver's seat, side impact airbags that deploy this way in case you get hit, automatic headlights, your interior lights, your trunk release, power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. Let's look at the rest of the interior. So I don't know if you can see it real good, but it has 86,621 miles as she sits. Even has a quarter tank of gas. We've got paddle shifters, Bluetooth, cruise control. You got your visor, vanity mirror. Looks like your home link system there. Place to put your glasses right there. Supposedly they'll fit there. Auto dimming rear view mirror, assist, SOS, touchscreen with backup camera. Everything works there. It's got your media control, climate control, your apps, navigation, heated and cooled seat. What kind of seats? Heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel. Okay. Your Bluetooth. All of that is right there. Coming down here, you got your climate control, radio controls again, super track pack, changes up there on the dash, sport mode, that type of thing. Parking sensors off, stability track sensor off. This is an all-wheel drive model. Driver and front passenger climate controls, automatic transmission, storage in here. Not a lot, but some. I gotta contort myself. Headliner looks good. I don't get any off-putting odors. That's one thing I'm looking for. You have side curtain airbags. Everything seems good on the inside. Let's take a look at the rest of the car. Looking here at the back seats. Now, they don't give you a ton of room. I'm not gonna lie. And these front seats are pretty far back. I guess you could put 4 people in here, but the people up front are gonna have to move the seats or something. I'm not exactly sure how that'll work. Let's look at the trunk. Well, this is taking care of the trunk. Got your spare tire and everything right there. You can see all that. Your seats fold over to give you more room in the trunk. Everything looks good back here. Let's look underneath the hood. Well, looking under the hood here, 3.6 liter variable valve timing V6. I've got it running. You can hide in here. It's really a quiet engine. It's really nice. Everything looks good underneath there that I can see. I don't see any signs of damage, no tool marks along here. I'm looking for that as well. So all that looks good. Everything up here looks good. Well, there you have it. A 2017 Dodge Challenger GT with 66,000 miles. And this concludes our walk around.